Specialized connective tissue. Specialized connective tissue is a third class of connective tissue. In specialized connective tissue, we have blood, bone, and cartilage. Blood, it is a liquid material. That's why it is also known as fluid connective tissue. It is the only fluid connective tissue in the whole class of connective tissue. It consists of RBC, red blood cell, WBC, white blood cells, and platelets. It helps in transport of various substances. Blood is in our body and it helps in the transportation of various substances like oxygen, nutrients to different parts of the body. Second is bone. The cells of the bone are known as osteocytes. These are the cells of bone. These cells, osteocytes, are surrounded by collagen fiber. Coming to the function, it supports the body framework and it provides mechanical strength to the body. Third is cartilage. Cartilage, the cells of the cartilage are known as chondrocytes. The cells are known as chondrocytes and they are present with collagen and elastic fiber. This is one thing you need to understand, that in bone there are only collagen fiber, but in cartilage it has collagen along with the elastic fiber. It means that cartilage is somewhere elastic as compared to bone. You can't bend a bone, whereas you can bend a cartilage easily. Now further we have also divided the cartilage into three types. Cartilage is also divided into three types. So cartilage is divided into hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, and elastic fibrocartilage. The hyaline cartilage, it is bluish white tissue in appearance. The color is bluish white. Whereas coming to the structure, the chondrocytes, the cells are arranged in a group in solid matrix. And where it is found, hyaline cartilage is found in to attach ribs to the sternum. It is found between the ribs and the sternum. Second is fibrocartilage. Fibrocartilage, it consists of dense white collagen fiber. And coming to the property, it is more flexible than hyaline cartilage. It is present between the vertebrae. Third is elastic fibrocartilage. The elastic fibrocartilage, it consists of yellow elastic fibers and it is present in the lobe of ear or epiglottis. These are the three types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage, and elastic fibrocartilage. Now you can take the screenshot. It will easily help you to learn them.